Hello students, welcome to the next video class. Today we will discuss some problems using permutation and combination and next chapter binomial theorem. So before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति 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 सुस्त. The last class we discussed about problems of a combination and total concept of a combination. So today we will discuss some another problems, that is from 3 capital letters, 5 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words made each containing 3 consonants and 2 vowels beginning with capital letters. Okay. So there are 5 consonants and 4 vowels and 3 capital letters. We make word containing 3 consonants and 2 vowels and this word starting with capital. That means first we select 3 consonants out of 5 consonants and 2 vowels out of 4 vowels in 5C3 into 4C2 ways. Okay, but each word containing capital, a capital letters gote capital letter rohibo. So one capital letter can be choose out of 3 capital letters in 3C1 ways. So the total number of selection can be made 5C3 into 4C2. Okay, 5C3 into 4C2 into 3C1. Each word starting with a capital letter. So in that selection 6 letters are there. Okay, so we make word means if we arrange letters of the selection we can get a different word, but here each word starting with a capital letter means we cannot interchange this first position. So first position को हम केबे भी interchange कर पारिबा नहीं. So remaining 5 letters in that selection, remaining 5 letters except the beginning letter, we can arrange themselves. So these remaining 5 letters can be arranged themselves in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. Okay, so the total number of words can be made 3 consonants, 2 vowels and 1 beginning out of 5 consonants, 4 vowels and 3 capitals is 3C1 into 5C3 into 4C2 into 5 factorial. Okay, do you understand? Then आइन जो 6 लेटर रहिला ए 6 लेटर रु आमे फर्स्ट लेटर टाको केबे भी इंटरचेंज करि परिबा नाही, because each word starting with capital. So these remaining 5 letters can be arranged themselves in the 5 factorial. Then एति selection कला पर into 5 factorial करबा. Okay, now we write these things. Okay, so 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be selected out of 5 consonants and 4 vowels in 5C3 into 4C2 ways. Since each word starting with a capital, so one capital letter can be selected out of 3 capital letters in 3C1 ways. Since each selection contains 6 letters, except capital letters, remaining 5 letters can be arranged themselves in 5 factorial ways. So the number of words starting with capital containing 3 consonants and 2 vowels is 3C1 into 5C3 into 4C2 into 5 factorial. Okay, this is the required answer. Next question. how many 4 letters word can be formed from the letters of the word committee. Okay, so we make 4 letters word using the letters of the word the committee. So in that committee, how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 letters. Out of 9 letters, M2 answer, M2, T2, E2, C1, O1, then okay, then I1, okay. So 6, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, ये 3, 9 letters. Okay. So if these 9 letters are different, then the number of 4 letters word is 9p4. So the simple permutation use kariya. So the number of 4 letters word equal to 9p4. If all 9 letters are different, so the 9 letter different होता, so 4 letters word equal to 9p4 होता ना नहीं कहीं ना 4टा प्लेस रे तुम 9 लेटर को फिलअप करियो लेटर को अरेंजमेंट कले यू विल गेट डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. So the number of 4 letters word equal to 9p4, or by help of a combination, first you have to select 4 letters out of 9 letters, 9c4. Each selection contains 4 letters. They can be arranged themselves. You can get a number of different words. So the number of 4 letters word is 9c4 into 4 factorial equal to 9p4. 9c4 into 4 factorial equal to 9p4. Okay. जदि 9 लेटर डिफरेंट होता था तुम डायरेक्ट एमदी बाहर करता था, बट हियर ऑल लेटर्स आर नॉट डिफरेंट. सो 2m, 2t, 2e, 1c, 1o, 1i. So in how many 4 letters word can be formed? In such case, there are many cases are possible to make 4 letters word. Case 1 will be all letters are different. Case 2, 2 letters are same and other 2 letters are different. Case 3, 2 letters are same of one type and other 2 letters are same of another type. Okay, so there are 3 cases are possible. गोटे केस नब 4टा लेटर डिफरेंट थी, आउ गोटे केस कंसीडर करियो 2 लेटर सेम थी, आउ 2 लेटर डिफरेंट थी. आउ गोटे केस नब 2 लेटर सेम ऑफ वन टाइप, अदर 2 लेटर्स आर सेम ऑफ अनदर टाइप. सो एमदी 3टा केस बाहर करी लास्ट को तुम कौन करिया पड़ो ऐड करिया पड़ो. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? आउ कौन केस पॉसिबल हम कि ना? ओके, देख फास्ट केस नेबा. केस 1 all letters are different. तो डिफरेंट लेटर्स वन इज सी ओ आई. सो ये कौन अच्छे 2टा अच्छी 2टा एम अच्छी मीन्स फॉर डिफरेंट लेटर यू सिलेक्ट 1 एम गोटे एम नब आउट ऑफ 2t 1t 1e. ओके, C O I. So how many different letters are there? 6 different letters. So these 6 different letters, out of 6 different letters, first you have to select any 4 letters. In how many ways? 6 C4, but in each selection contains 4 letters. So these 4 letters can be arranged themselves. You can get 6C4 into 4 factorial. So the number of 4 letters word equal to 6C4 into 4 factorial, and which is equal to 6P4. 6 permutation 4 लिखले भी हो पार. यहाँ हूँ केस 1, all letters are different. Do you understand? Case 2, 2 letters are same. 2 letters are same and other 2 letters are different. ओके सो दीटा लेटर सेम थी आउ दीटा लेटर डिफरेंट थी अच्छा सेम थिया वाला केतरा अच्छी देख लो M2 अच्छी 2T अच्छी 3E अच्छी सो let it be considered 3 pairs this is one pair this is one pair this is one pair so out of 3 pairs you have to select any one pair in how many way 3C1 okay so this is a pair selection but in each pair selection contain 2 letters okay so these 2 letters must be identical then another 2 letter can be selected in how many way acha so one pair selected out of 3 pairs in 3C1 ways remaining 2 letter can be selected remaining 2 different letter how they are different habo naki so different letter from different letter one is C O I देखो 3टा पेयर अच्छी सो 3टा पेयर गोटे पेयर सिलेक्ट कला परे रिमेनिंग 2 पेयर रहिबो सो 2 पेयर रु यू कैन टेक वन लेटर फ्रॉम पेयर एंड अनदर लेटर कैन टेक फ्रॉम अनदर पेयर जो 3टा पेयर अच्छी 3टा पेयर गोटे पेयर गला परे आउ 2टा पेयर रहिला सो 2टा पेयर फ्रॉम दिस 2 पेयर यू कैन टेक 2 लेटर्स फ्रॉम वन लेटर one pair and other letter from another pair तेणु 3टा लेटर रु 3टा पेयर रु गोटे पेयर को सिलेक्शन कला परे आउ जो 2टा पेयर रहिला से पेयर रु से 2टा पेयर रु गोटे लेटर आउ गोटे लेटर 2टा लेटर नबो 2टा डिफरेंट पेयर रु 2टा लेटर नबो ए 3टा लेटर डिफरेंट अछि ए 2टा पेयर रु 2टा लेटर जीवो जोटा कि डिफरेंट लेटर जीव 3A2 के 5टा है तो 5टा लेटर रु 2टा लेटर को सिलेक्शन करियो सो 2 डिफरेंट लेटर कैन बी सिलेक्टेड आउट ऑफ 5 लेटर्स इन 5C2 इनटू हला फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट वन पेयर आउट ऑफ 3 पेयर्स इन 3C1 ईच पेयर कंटेन्स 2 लेटर्स ओके then remaining 2 different letter can be selected out of here 3 and 2टा पेयर 2टा लेटर जीवो different letter जीवो so 5C2 okay but each selection contains 4 letters काई and 2टा अछि and 2टा अछि 4 letter so these 4 letters can be arranged themselves in 4 factorial ways but each selection also 2 letters are identical so the number of letters of the word equal to by 2 factorial. Why we divide 2 factorial? Because 2 letters are the same. Okay. So the number of 4 letters word containing 2 letters are same of one type and other 2 letters are different 3C1 into 5C2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Now case 3 2 letters are same of one type 2 letters are same 2 letters are same of one type and other 2 letters other 2 letters are same of another type other 2 letters are same of other type okay so here we selected 2 letters are same of one type and other 2 letters are also same of another type that means here 3 pairs are there so from these 3 pairs you select 2 pairs so in that 2 pairs 2 letters are same of one type and other 2 letters are same of another type that means you must select 2 pairs out of 3 pairs equal to 3C2 means 2 pairs are there 2 pair means 4 letters are there so these 4 letters can be arranged themselves in 4 factorial ways but in each selection contain 4 letter in that 4 letter 2 letters are same and another 2 letters are same so divide 2 factorial into 2 factorial okay so therefore the total number of 4 letters word is case 1 plus case 2 plus case 3 एमदी 4 letters word formation हो पारियो एमती केस रे फॉर्मेशन हो पार एमती केस रे फॉर्मेशन हो पार जो फोर लेटर टोटल नंबर ऑफ फोर लेटर्स वर्ड बाहर करियो तो केस 1 प्लस केस 2 प्लस केस 3 ओके डू यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ वी राइट these things. Okay, first you have to write the word committee contains 9 letters out of which 2M, 2T, 2E, 1C, 1O, 1I. Okay, so there are 3 cases are possible to make 4 letters word. Case 1 all letters are different. So different letters are C, O, I, M, T, E. So 4 letters word can be made out of 6 letters in 6C4 into 4 factorial. Okay. Case 2 2 letters are same and other 2 letters are different. So now we consider these same letters as 3 pairs. So out of 3 pairs, 1 pair can be selected out of 3 pairs in 3C1. Then other 2 letter can be selected from different letters, 5 letters in 5C2. Okay. After select, each selection contains 5 letters, so 4 letters. These 4 letters can be arranged themselves. So number of word equal to 3C1 into 5C2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Why we divide 2 factorial? Because 2 letters are same. Case 3, 2 letters are same of one type and other 2 letters are same of another type. So here there are 3 pairs. Okay, each pair have the same number letters, same letters. So from 3 pairs, select 2 pairs. So 2 pair can be selected out of 3 pairs in 3C2. But in that selection contains 4 letters. So we multiply 4 factorial. Therefore, number of 4 letters were equal to 3C2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. Therefore, the total 4 letters were equal to 6C4 into 4 factorial into 3C1 into 5C2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial in plus 3C2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. So you can solve to find its exact answer, or this expression is also correct. So in this way you have to select, you have to find 4 letters word out of the repeated letters. Okay. So next we will discuss a new chapter, that is the binomial theorem. So you know binomial theorem. Binomial means sum of 2 distinct terms. Sum of 2 distinct terms is known as a binomial, whereas sum of 3 distinct terms is known as a trinomial. Sum of more than 2 terms, sum of more than 2 terms is known multinomial. तेणु 2टा टर्म थिला हम कहूचे ताको बाइनोमियल, 3टा टर्म थिले ताको कहूचे हम ट्राइनोमियल कहूचे ना नहीं, 3टा टर्म रो अधिक रहइबो, 2टा टर्म रो अधिक रहिले ताको हम कहूचे मल्टीनोमियल. ओके. बाइनोमियल द एक्सप्रेशन 2x plus 3y or 3x minus 5y or 3x square plus 1 by x square or a plus b fifth etc. This is known as a binomial. Okay. The expansion of a plus b to the power n, the expansion of a plus b to the power n is known as a binomial theorem, where n belongs to natural number. Okay. Do you understand binomial? So binomial means sum of 2 distinct term is known as binomial. But the expansion of a plus b to the power n, where n belongs to positive integer, is known as a binomial theorem. Okay. Now we write these things, binomial and binomial theorem. Okay. Okay. So the sum of 2 distinct terms is called binomial. For example, 2x plus 3y, 3x square plus 1 by x fifth, y cube minus 3x to the power 7, etc. In general form of binomial is a plus b. General form binomial is a plus b. Okay. Like that, the sum of three terms is called trinomial. In general, sum of more than two terms is called multinomial. And the expansion of a plus b to the power n, where n belongs to capital N, is called binomial theorem. Okay. So what is binomial theorem? The expansion of a plus b to the power n is called binomial theorem. A plus b to the power n equal to NC0, you can expand in this way. A plus b to the power n equal to NC0 into a to the power n plus NC1 into a to the power n minus 1 into b plus NC2 a to the power n minus 2 into b square plus dot 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 NCR into a to the power n minus r into b to the power r plus dot 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 NCN into b to the power n. Okay. So the last term is NCN into b to the power n. Okay. So NC0 into a to the power n plus NC1 a to the power n minus 1 into b plus NC2 a to the power n minus 2 into b square. Next term NC3 a to the power n minus 3 into bq. So NCR a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. So last term is NCN into b to the power n. So before last term NC, okay, NCN minus 1 into a to the power what? So a to the power 1 into b to the power a to the power n minus 1 into b to the power n. Okay. So the last term is NCN minus 1 into a to the power 1 into b to the power n minus 1. Okay. So before last term NCN minus 1 into a to the power 1 into b to the power n minus 1. Okay. Then NCN into b to the power n. Okay. So in that expansion, the power of a to the power n achi, a to the power n minus 1, a to the power n minus 2. That means the power of a decreases, whereas the power of b increases. But the sum of powers of a and b in each terms is equal to n. ତେଣୁ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଟର୍ମରେ ଏ ର ପାୱାରଟା କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି କମି କମି ଯାଉଛି, ବି ର ପାୱାରଟା ବଢ଼ି ବଢ଼ି ଯାଇଛି, and the sum of powers of a and b in each terms is equal to n. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଟର୍ମରେ ଏ ର ପାୱାର ବି ର ପାୱାର ମିଶିଲା ବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି n ହେବ। ଦେଖୁନ ଏଇଠି ଏ ର ପାୱାର n ଅଛି, କିଛି ନହେଲେ ବି ର ପାୱାର 0 ଅଛି, ଏଇଠି ଏ ର ପାୱାର n ମାଇନସ୍ 1 ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ବି ର ପାୱାର 1, ତ ଏଇଠି କଲେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି n ହେଲା, ଏ ର ପାୱାର n ମାଇନସ୍ 2 ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ବି ସ୍କୋୟାର, ଏଇଠି କଲେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି n ହେଉଛି। ଓକେ, NC0, NC1, NC2, NCR dot dot NCN, these are known as binomial coefficient. What are the binomial coefficient? NC0, NC1, NC2, NCR, these are known as binomial coefficients. Okay, and what will be number of term? This one is the first term, this one is the second term, this one is the third term. Okay, so NC2 रे पहुँचला कौन हम थर्ड टर्म, एटा केते नंबर टर्म हम, दिस इज r प्लस 1 टर्म हम, कहीं NC2 बेले थर्ड टर्म 2 अछि ना, 2 प्लस 1 थर्ड टर्म होला, एटी NCR अछि ना, एटा केते नंबर टर्म हम, r प्लस 1 टर्म हम। ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज r प्लस 1 टर्म, एटा अछि r प्लस 1 टर्म एंड इट विल बी n प्लस 1 टर्म, द लास्ट टर्म इज n प्लस 1 टर्म। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई the number of terms in the expansion of a plus b to the power n is n plus 1. तेणु a plus b to the power n टाकू जो आम एक्सपांड करवा, you will get n plus 1 terms. What will be number of terms in the expansion of a plus b to the power n? That is n plus 1. Okay, and this term NCR into a power n minus r into b to the power r is called general term. Which one is called general term, and this general term is denoted by TR plus 1. Okay, so TR plus 1 equal to NCR into a power n minus r into b to the power r. Okay, do you understand? These are the properties of binomial theorem. So what are the properties? In the expansion of a plus b to the power n plus 1th term, okay, n plus 1 terms are there, nc0, nc1, nc2, these are called binomial coefficients. The sum of powers of a and b in each terms is equal to n. The power of a decreases whereas the power of b increases. Okay, so these are the properties of the binomial theorem. Now we write these things. So number 1, number of terms in the expansion of a plus b to the power n is equal to n plus 1. In each terms the power of a decreases whereas the power of b increases, and sum of powers in each terms is equal to n. Okay, nc0, nc1, nc2 dot dot ncr, ncr plus 1, ncn are called binomial coefficients. These are known as binomial coefficients. So this one is the first term, second term, third term, and this is r plus 1th term. So this r plus 1th term is called general term and it is denoted by tr plus 1. So tr plus 1 equal to ncr a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. Okay. Since nc0, nc1, nc2, that is ncr equal to ncn minus r, there is a property in the complementary combination ncr equal to ncn minus r. If we put n equal to 0, if we put r equal to 0, then what happened? nc0 equal to ncn, nc0 equal to ncn. nc0 is the first binomial coefficient, first term. ncn is the coefficient of last term. So nc0 equal to ncn means binomial coefficients from beginning equal to ending. Next, if we put r equal to 1, it will be nc1, nc1 equal to ncn minus 1. Then nc1 टा कौन a expansion रे nc1 टा second term रो coefficient टा, last आरु second term रो coefficient कौन ncn minus 1, first आरु third term रो coefficient कौन nc2, last आरु third term रो coefficient टा कौन होबो यार पूर्व term टा कौन होबो ncn minus 2 into a square b रो power n minus 2. Okay, so nc2 equal to ncn minus 2, this is binomial coefficient nc2, third term coefficient ncn minus 2 means last adu. So this is the third term from ending, nc2 it is the binomial coefficient third term from beginning. That's why nc0 equal to ncn, nc1 equal to ncn minus 1, nc2 equal to ncn minus 2 and so on like that. So binomial coefficients are equidistant from beginning and ending. Okay, do you understand? First आडू binomial coefficient last आडू binomial coefficient संगे समान होबो. First आडू second term, last आडू second term equal. First आडू third term, last आडू third term. Binomial coefficient equal. Term रा equal ही जो नहीं ना नहीं. Since first आडू fourth term रा last आडू fourth term रा coefficient these are the equal. Okay. Next. So r plus 1th term, it is the r plus 1th term from beginning. But what will be r plus 1th term from ending? देखो ncn into b to the power n. This is the first term from ending. This one is second term from ending. And what will be third term? Here third term must be nc n minus 2 into a square into b ର power n minus 2. b ର power n minus 2. कहीं एटी 2 रहिले एटी कौन होची a square रहिला into b ର power n minus 2 रहिला थर्ड टर्म टा. फोर्थ टर्म टा कौन होबो nc n minus 3 into a q into b ର power n minus 3 ହେଲା. ओके, try to understand. This is the first term from ending, this is the second term from ending, this is the third term from ending, this is the fourth term from ending. Fourth term कौन रोची nc n minus 3 रोची ना नहीं जे आउ थर्ड टर्म कौन रोची nc n minus 2 रोले a square b पर n minus 2 रोची. But what will be r plus 1th term from ending? So naturally rth term nc n minus r नहीं nc n minus r into a to the power r into b to the power n minus r, and this is known as r plus 1th term from ending. But this is the r plus 1th term from beginning. First a expansion रे first आडू r plus 1th term एडा हबो, last आडू r plus 1th term एडा हबो nc n minus r a to the power r into b to the power n minus r. Okay, so okay, you understand? So binomial, this property, fifth property, binomial coefficients are equidistant from beginning and ending. Okay, sixth property, r plus 1th term from ending, r plus 1th term from ending t r plus 1 equal to nc n minus r into a to the power r b to the power a to the power r into b to the power n minus r, b to the power n minus r. Okay, so this is r plus 1th term from ending, and this is known as r plus 1th term from beginning. If we ask find the 5th term from beginning using this, if we ask find the 7th term from ending or find the 5th term from ending, means you have to use this formula. Eta last आडू r plus 1th term, eta first आडू r plus 1th term. Okay, these are total properties of binomial theorem. Now we do some problems using this binomial theorem. Okay, so expand x minus 1 by x to the power 6 using binomial theorem. So first you have to make into standard form of the binomial, that is a plus b to the power n. Here answer a equal to x and b equal to minus 1 by x, n equal to 6. If the power of binomial is 6, that means n plus 1, so 7 terms are there. Okay, so in each term the power of a decreases whereas the power of b increases, but the sum of powers of a and b in each term is equal to 7. Okay, so तुम प्रथम ए फॉर्मूला लिखिबो a plus b to the power 6. So nc 0, here n equal to what? 6. That means you have to write in this way: 6 is 0, 6c 0, a to the power n means 6. Not you have to write n, that is 6. nc 6c 0, a to the power 6, then 6c1 into a power 5 into b, the power of a decreases, right? Where the power of b increases. Next term 6c2 into a 4 into b square. एटा कमे कमे नो b रो पावरटा बड़े बड़े नबो हला. So then 6c3 एर बार 4 थिला बर्तन कोन a q into b square. Okay, b q 6 4 into एर पावर कोन हो एर बारटा 2 into b 4 हो. Okay, plus 6 5 into एडी a square थिला तापर कथा आसियो a आसियो a into b रो पावर 5 plus 6 into b to the power 6, b to the power 6. Okay, देख 7 टर्म अच्छी ना नहीं देर आर 6 लास्ट 6 0 स्टार्ट है 7 टर्म है देन सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यू सो x माइनस b मीन्स हियर -1/x तो x माइनस 1/x इज इक्वल टू 6 0 मीन्स 1 n c 0 इक्वल टू 1 तो 8/6 मीन्स 6 to the power x to the power 6 प्लस 6c1 so you know nc1 equal to n तो 6c1 means c 6c1 means 6 combination 1 means 6 8 bar 5 means x to the power 5 into b means what -1/x plus 6c2 you know 6c2 means 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial that is 4 factorial तो 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial तो 4 factorial cancel 6 into 5 what 30 by 2 15 तो 6c2 equal to 15 into x to the power 4 into b means what -1/x square you know 6c3 means 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial cancel 3 factorial means 6 so 5 into 4 20 into x cube 20 into x cube into b but b means what -1/x so -1/x cube 64 you know 64 equal to okay 64 equal to 6c 6 minus 4 that is the 6c2 so you know 6c2 means what 15 so first term coefficient 1 first term second term coefficient 6 है third term coefficient है एटा होचे fourth term coefficient नहीं कि तो 6c4 means 6c2 you know 6c2 means what 15 तो 15 into a means x square into -1/x fourth तो -1/x to the power 4 okay plus 65 तो 65 means 6c5 means 61 तो 61 equal to 6 into x into -1/x to the power 5 and 6 means 1 into x to the power 6 1 into x to the power 6 okay now express this one so x to the power 6 एटा -6 कौन हम x4 हम है ना x कैंसल कला पर x4 हम देन 15 ये -1/x स्क्वायर मीन्स 1/x स्क्वायर तो 15/x स्क्वायर सॉरी 15x स्क्वायर दिस इज 15x स्क्वायर हम है ना तो 15x स्क्वायर so 15x square plus here -1/x cube means -1/x cube x cube into x cube cancel तो -20 है plus है 15 एटा x4 तो अच्छी by x4 means -1/x to the power 4 means x1/x4 तो x टा कैंसल कला पर 15/x स्क्वायर है यस यो -1/x to the power 5 means -1/x to the power 5 अब ये x अच्छी ना तो x to the power 5 कैंसल कला पर रिमेनिंग -6/x to the power 4 -6/x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 okay plus x to the power 6 okay so how many terms 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so 1x minus 1/x to the power 6 equal to this one so you can expand in this way by using binomial theorem okay next we do another problem that is find the 10th term in the expansion of 2x square plus 1/x to the power 12 okay so in that expansion 2x square plus 1/x to the power 12 if we expand 2x square plus 1/x to the power 12 then you will get 13th term so in that 13th term what will be 10th term no so आम ये कौन करिया एमती एक्सपांड कला पर 10th term टा बाहर करिया सेमती करा जीवो नाही so by help of general term we can find easily or we can find directly 10th term. Okay, so without expander, by help of general term we can find the 10th term. Okay, so here n equal to 12. First you have to write in the general form n equal to 12. Here a equal to 2x square and b equal to 1 by x. So 10th term means T10. So T10 means you have to write in this way T9 plus 1. We have the formula TR plus 1. TR plus 1 equal to NCR into a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. This is the formula. So T10 10 equal to 9 plus 1 means here r equal to what? 9. R equal to 9. Okay, r equal to 9, that is NCR. N means 12, C 9. Okay, 12C 9, a to the power n minus r. A means what? 2x square to the power n minus r, 12 minus 9 into b to the power r. B means what? 1 by x to the power r. R means 9. Do you understand? So T10 means you have to write in this way T9 plus 1 and use the formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR, a to the n minus r, b to the power r. Here r equal to 9. Okay. Now 12C2. So 12C2 means what? 12 factorial by 9 factorial into 12 minus 9, and this is 3 factorial. So 2x square rho q into 1 by x to the power 9. Okay, which is equal to 12 factorial means you have to write 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial, because in denominator 9 factorial is there. Okay, so for simplification you have to express 12 factorial up to 9 factorial by 3 factorial means 3 factorial. So 3 factorial means what? 3 into 2 into 1 into 9 factorial. Okay, तो 9 factorial जेम सिंह रखिबो, and then 2x square q. So 2q, this is 8. Okay, 8 into x to the power 6. 8 into x to the power 6. So x square q, that is x sixth by x to the power 9 by x to the power 9. Okay, now 9 factorial 9 cancel है. Yes, यो कैसे 2 into 3 6, 6 2 12. Okay, so ये 11 into 2 22 into 10. Okay, into 8 by x cube. So 8 into 2 16 1 है 8 into 2 16 plus 1 17. So 1760 by x cube. So in this way you have to find 10th term, like 11th term or 7th term or whatever may be the term, using binomial, using general term you have to find, not expand. Okay, so m the general term use करी तमे बाहर करिवो. Next we do, so find the fourth term from end in the expansion of x square x cube by 2 minus 2 by x square to the power 9. So first you have to make in the binomial form. Okay, this is binomial form because here two terms are there. So here a equal to what? X cube minus 2, answer. A equal to x cube by 2 and b equal to minus 2 by x square. So n equal to 9. But actually here we find fourth term from ending. तो लास्ट आड़ फोर्थ टर्म बाहर करिया. सो इफ वी एक्सपांड हियर n इक्वल टू 9 मीन्स देर आर हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देर. आपको एक्सपांड कले केतना टर्म आसियो? 10टा टर्म आसियो. तो 10th टर्म लाइक दैट वी फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी राइट दिस वन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. सपोज देर आर 10 टर्म्स आर देर. सो fourth term from ending. So what which one is the fourth term from ending? This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term from end. Last or fourth term da kon eta. So 7 is the, this one is this term is the seventh term from beginning. Seventh term from beginning. Then last or fourth term कहबा जा, first or seventh term कहबा ता. Do you understand? Fourth term from ending, which is equal to seventh term from beginning. Okay, so you can use the formula rth term, r plus 1th term from ending. What is r plus 1th term from ending? Tr plus 1 equal to Tr plus 1 equal to nc n minus r into a to the power r into b to the power n minus r. This is the formula of r plus 1th term from ending. तुम ए फॉर्मूला यूज करी करियो बा बिगिनिंग रे जति करिवो बिगिनिंग फॉर्मूला यूज करियो r plus 1th term from beginning Tr plus 1 equal to ncr into a to the power n minus r, a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. बिगिनिंग रे केते नंबर टर्म हो? 7th टर्म हो ना नहीं? अच्छा, सो एडी हमें वी यूज फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग है ना. बिगिनिंग रे केते नंबर टर्म होची जेतु 7th टर्म होची तो हमें T7 बाहर करे. तो T7 मीन्स T6 plus 1 और T4 बाहर कले ए फॉर्मूला यूज करियो. T3 plus 1 कले ए फॉर्मूला पकई यूज करियो. T6 plus 1 कले फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग आडू यूज कले भी हे पारियो. ओके, अच्छा, सो इन जनरली 7th term, fourth term from ending equal to 7th term from beginning. Okay, but the 7th term will be obtained n which is equal to 7th term रा केम दिसियो. सो नंबर ऑफ टर्म एडी केते आसियो? नंबर ऑफ टर्म आसिला तमरो 10 आसिला. तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स माइनस फोर्थ टर्म मीन्स number of terms केते होची 10 minus 4 10 minus 4 केते होची 6 plus 1 that is 7. तो 7 obtained will be obtained number of term minus 4 plus 1, number of term minus 4 plus 1 that is 7. Okay, so in generally rth term from ending, rth term from ending in the expansion of a plus b to the power n. देखो we derive a formula that is in the expansion of a plus b to the power n. What will be rth term from ending? Rth term from ending. This term which term from beginning and last आडू rth term डा फर्स्ट आडू केते नंबर टर्म ना लास्ट फर्स्ट आडू केते नंबर टर्म हम सेटा हमें बाहर करिया. सो इन बिगिनिंग इट विल बी नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. ओके, एडी एंडा 9 ले हमें नंबर एटा केते 10 minus 4 plus 1 ना. 10 minus 10 माने कोन नंबर ऑफ टर्म दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ टर्म माइनस rth term minus r plus 1 है. सो नंबर ऑफ टर्म मीन्स व्हाट? एडी एक्सपेंशन पावरटा के तो n अछि. सो व्हाट विल बी नंबर ऑफ टर्म? द नंबर ऑफ टर्म इज n plus 1 minus r plus 1 and which is equal to n minus r plus 2. n minus r plus 2, this term will be beginning है, which is equal to rth term from ending. तेणु लास्ट आडू rth term कहबा जाए n minus r plus 2 term from beginning. Do you understand? rth term from ending equal to n minus r plus 2 from beginning. Okay, so we write these things. Note, you have to write this one. Note alla rth term from and equal to n minus r plus 2 the term from beginning. Okay, in the expansion of a plus b to the power n. Okay, so a plus b to the power n ର expansion रे last आडू rth term कहबा जहा n minus r plus 2 term from beginning कहबा जहा. Do you understand? So fourth term from end equal to n minus r plus 2 from beginning, the term from beginning, hala, and this is equal to n minus r, where n equal to 9 minus r means fourth term, rth term, r means 4, n minus 4 plus 2. Okay, n minus r plus 2, that is, so n minus r plus 2 the term beginning आडू केता बेटा. So 9 plus 2 11 minus 4 hala, 11 minus 4. Okay, that is the seventh term from beginning. तेणु लास्ट आडू फोर्थ टर्म कहबा जा फास्ट आडू सेवेंथ टर्म बाहर करबा जा. तुम से फॉर्मूला लास्ट nth टर्म r plus 1th टर्म फ्रॉम एंडिंग फॉर्मूला पकेले हम डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला यूज कल हम बा बिगिनिंग आडू ए फॉर्मूला यूज कल भी हम. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो t7 इक्वल टू t6 plus 1 and we use the formula from beginning, that is tr plus 1 equal to ncr into r power n minus r into b to the power r. Okay, so n means 9 6 cr, r means here 6, so 6 plus 1 6 into a to the power n minus r, a equal to x cube by 2 the power n minus r, n means 9, b means 6, n minus r into b means minus 2 by x square to the power r means 6. Okay, so which is 9c6 means 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial into x cube by 2 the power 3 into minus 2 by x square to the power 6. Okay, so 9 factorial means you have to express in this way, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. So 6 factorial cancel, that is x to the power 9 hala, sorry x to the power 9 by 2 रो cube means 8 into minus 2 to the power 6, so 2 to the power 6 by x to the power 12. Okay, so 6 factorial cancel hala, so which is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into, so 8 into 8 cancel hala, so 9 means that is equal to 9 into 7 hala, 9 into 7 3 factorial means 3 into 2, so 3 into 2 into x to the power x to the power 9 by x to the power 12, here 2 to the power 6 hala, तो 2 to the power 6 by x to the power केते होबो x क्यू होबो नहीं x क्यू होबो, so 3 9 होबो, एटा कैंसिल होबो, ये केते आछो 3 into 7 21, तो 21 into 21 3 7 जा 21 8 2 to the power 5, तो 2 to the power 5 means 32 by x cube, this is the answer. तो 21 into 32 नहीं, so 21 into 32 by x cube. Okay, so fourth term from ending will be seventh term from beginning. So in this way you have to calculate, or you can use direct formula from ending. So some questions for yourself. Number 1, using binomial theorem, find the value of 102 to the power 5. तो binomial theorem use करी 102 to the power 5 means you have to express binomial 100 plus 2 to the power 5 means n equal to 5, a equal to 100, b equal to 2. Use this formula. Okay. So after expand you will get a 6 term, and add all this term you will get 102 to the power 5. Number 2, find the value of a if 17th and 18th term in the expansion 2 plus a to the power 50 are equal. तो 17th 18th term दिराग equal हेले a र value केते से पचाचे. So in such case first you have to find 17th term and 18th term using general term t r plus 1 from beginning. सब बोले beginning रू बाहर करियो ना नहीं. अच्छा. Find the 6th term in the expansion of 4x by 5 minus 5 plus 2x to the power 9. 6th term पचार means एटा beginning रू बाहर करा हो. एट क्वेश्चन देखो, find the 11th term from ending in the expansion of this one. From ending, so last और 11th term पचार तो last और 11th term डा तो मैं डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला यूज करी हो. को फॉर्मूला टी आर प्लस 1 इक्वल टू एन सी एन माइनस आर ए टू द पावर आर इंटू बी टू द पावर एन माइनस आर. लास्ट और आर प्लस 1 टर्म फॉर्मूला पके पार. और 11th टर्म फ्रॉम ending which is how many term? Okay, which term from the beginning? From beginning रे केते term हबो means there is a formula. कोन कहथिले rth term from ending equal to n minus r plus 2 from beginning. So n means 25, 25 minus r means 11, 11 plus 2. Okay, so 25 minus 11 केता आसला 14 ना कि 14 प्लस 2 16. तो लास्ट और 11 टर्म कहवा जा फास्ट आरु केते 16th टर्म कहवा ता. तेनो 16th टर्म बाहर कले तुम फास्ट आरु पकेबो, लास्ट और पकई यूज कले भी हे परियो. ओके. नेक्स्ट, हाउ मेनी 4 letters word can be formed using the letters of the word mathematics. Like that committee आम जेन फॉर्मेशन करथिले 4 letters word. ए by this concept you can find the 4 letters word by help of letters of the word mathematics. Okay. So in the next class we will do some other concept of the binomial, that is how can you find the middle term, how can you find the independent term. Okay. So in next class we will do some other problem on the other concept. Thank you.